takes 45 minutes to Guangzhou and 2 hours to Shenzhen, Hong Kong. With convenient transportation, Letamp is a professional advanced enterprise engaged in packing machine research and development, design, production, sales and maintenance. At present, many series of packaging machine are available, such as automatically flow packing machine, flow wrapping machine, vertical packaging machine, granule packaging machine, powder packaging machine, liquid packaging machine, semi-automatic packaging machine, pillow-type packaging machine, widely used in food, chemical, pharmaceutical, hardware, daily necessities, and other industries. Our automatic weighing packaging machine completes the whole procedure of feeding, metering, bagging, date printing, counting automatically, carrying out the equipment of production automation, and improving the product efficiency in food, medicine, commodity industry, etc. Letamp has passed ISO 9001, 2015 certification, CE certification, and we can provide ODM and OEM service. We have won customers' good comments and recognition. We are selling packing machines to South America, North America, Africa, Mideast, Southeast Asia, Europe, Oceania, such as Mexico, USA, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, India, Poland, Germany, and so on. Letamp has won customers for over high quality, preferential price, and excellent pre-sales and after-sales service. Welcome domestic or overseas customers to visit for business negotiation. Let's develop and benefit mutually and keep a long-term friendship.